trying to make friends with that bird.
Where do you see birds?
Underneath the wing, there's those two birds. He wants to play with them, but they don't want to. He's trying to get over there to it.
Oh, no.
He wants to get over those two birds.
You want to play with birds?
He likes
Well,
those birds.
tell them to come here, birds.
Birds.
Birds, come here.
Get her out. Get her out.
They're scared of you.
Yeah, he barked too much. If he didn't bark so much, he might even come.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.